Hello, my name is Jeanette. We're at Morrie's Minnetonka Subaru, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the features of your vehicle. On this icon, when you tap this, it'll open up and it's going to project some of the apps. Most of these are phone applications, and you also have the Travel Link app. Pandora will have music for you that's available, and you can access this through, if you have an iPhone, it will be through the USB plugging in, or with an Android, it will be Bluetooth. You do have the Subaru Starlink app, which also has a few media sources for you, Stitcher, iHeartRadio, calendars, news, weather, a good variety there to keep you entertained. AHA also has podcasts and news reports, as well as some radio accessibility. Again, these are apps that would need to be downloaded on your phone in order to access them here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available. This Travel Link app is the one I want to discuss at this time. When we open up Travel Link, it's going to give you some of the travel features that people are usually looking for when they're driving on a long road trip. You can search for fuel prices and stations and where they're located. You can follow sports. It will let you follow your favorite team as well as what type of sport. You can get things, you'll get dates and scores available. Stocks, you will need to enter your stocks to follow them. And then you can also have the weather forecast displayed. It will give you the current, the 3 to 6 hour, as well as your 5-day forecast. You're able to change locations to other states. So if you are traveling to another area, you'll be able to see what's in the forecast up ahead. Just a few ways to make your travels a little bit easier with the Travel Link app. The Travel Link app is part of your vehicle's system, and it is through Sirius XM. You will have access to this for free for 3 years from the date of your purchase of your new vehicle. After that time, there will be a cost through Sirius XM. For that cost, they will be contacting you, and you can choose to opt in or not. Again, a few more of the features that your vehicle offers you. I hope you'll enjoy those.